just drove over this ladder.
Yes, Highway Patrol. This is a ladder on the road. I drove over it about 10 seconds ago.
Please fix my tires for me. What does this light mean, please?
All the lights are on my dashboard. Oh. I pushed a tape on my holes in my hands.
Mother!
Self-censoring. You son of a beep! Mother beep!
Let's go, baby!
I know. Ah!
Ooh!
Ooh! Let me see your phone. Who's on aux?
Who's on aux?
All right, there you go. It's in the queue. Don't worry. Don't look at it. It's a surprise.
Where are you going? What the hell are you doing flying away from me?
Sorry, I know. I look crispy. Saw. It's not really so wet. It's really so wet.
Dude.
What?
Lesser strength. Enhanced magic. Third tier magic. Lesser strength 4. I'm ready. Reinforced armor.
Hey, who left the wig here?
Where's my hair?
You telling me that's mine? You're gonna let that one come down? That was clean.
Base Slayer.
Base Slayer! I'm gonna slay you, Base. Let's do something crazy. Down up! I'm done walking. I want to down up!
Let me flip!
I want to down up! Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. Time to do. Totally Tabler. Man.
My time started! I warmed up outside!
Thank you, sir.
I still didn't pull her left foot. Oh my gosh, I screwed it up.
It's so different going lateral.
Oh, it's because it's lateral. If we were going sagittal, then we'd be fine.
Try diagonal.
Maybe transverse. Hey!
Keep it together, Dan. Okay, I'm going to QB. Base Slayer. Are you ready to go to QB?
Yes!
Here we go, my TV dreams. 1, 2.
Mom, pay money!
God.